Another hot and humid day. There's a view from our Charlottesville camera. More clouds are starting to build in from the west, and we are tracking some showers and thunderstorms. We'll get to that in just a moment. Made it up to 90 today. Right now, currently with 84 and a dew point of 67. It still feels like it's in the upper 80s. Quite sticky, as you well know. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 81 there at the airport, 86 the afternoon high, and some other readings across the region at this hour. Pretty much in the mid 80s across much of central Virginia, some lower 80s in the Shenandoah Valley. We'll take a look at NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar over the last several hours, and we've had some lighter showers. Again, we'll track the quick showers that are up here between north of Standardsville, south of Madison, up toward Culpeper. But the big action is coming out of Rockbridge County into Augusta, and this is a line of showers and thunderstorms here. You get out toward, say, Riverheads and Middlebrook and that area west of Greenville. You're seeing some showers and thunderstorms here. That is headed off to the north and east at about 15 miles an hour. So Stuarts Draft and southern Augusta County, and eventually Stanton will get in on the action. This will cross over the Blue Ridge through Nelson, and eventually Albemarle will follow that over the next couple hours. We still run the risk of a marginal risk for an isolated severe storm, one that could produce some damaging wind gusts, some spotty hail. Again, that goes through this evening. Most of the activity will kind of wind down, say, after 10 o'clock. Temperatures here overnight, pretty much in the mid to upper 60s. We'll be left with partly cloudy skies and a little bit of fog. Now, a front will be coming through tomorrow morning. Our winds will shift more out of the west. It'll still be a warm day, but we should start to notice a little break in the humidity, not as humid as the last couple of days. So again, tomorrow mid to upper 80s, that's fairly seasonable. As we get into Thursday, we could run the risk of a passing shower or two, maybe one in the morning, another one in the afternoon. Low to middle 80s for daytime highs, and it shouldn't be as humid as we go through the next several days until we get back to the upcoming weekend. Real quickly, out in the Atlantic, this is Gulf Stream waters here. This is Tropical Storm Dolly. You can see that little spin there over 300 miles southeast of Nova Scotia. This will weaken, but it's no threat to any landmass, which is some good news. But the fourth named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season already, and we're not even toward the end of June. So we have a cold front that's off to our north and west through the Ohio Valley, showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it. When we look at the dew point, which measures the humidity in the atmosphere, it's still quite juicy with high numbers here along the eastern seaboard and just to our west. But notice as you get out towards St. Louis and Chicago, those numbers are much lower. So that's some drier air, and that should begin to filter in here as we get into later tomorrow. So here we are this evening, 7, 8 o'clock, still dealing with some showers and thunderstorms. Then those will fade away. Temperatures tomorrow morning in the upper 60s, and then again a westerly wind shift tomorrow, mid to upper 80s, but a little less humidity. As we go into Thursday now, we likely could start the morning with some clouds, maybe a passing shower, and then during the afternoon there could be a hit or miss shower or thunder shower with temperatures in the low and middle 80s. So a few evening thunderstorms, otherwise for partly cloudy skies, muggy conditions, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Not quite as humid as we head through the next couple of days, but then that heat and humidity return for the upcoming weekend. Better chance of storms Sunday into early next week.